The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 26, verse 84.
And grant me a reputation of honor among later generations.
In reality, this supplication does not request Allah, the Exalted, to grant one a high social status, but it instead requests Allah, the Exalted, to provide one with the strength to act in a way which is pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, which is when one fulfills the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrains from his prohibitions, and faces destiny with patience. Persisting in this attitude will cause one to become a beloved of Allah, the Exalted. When this occurs, Allah, the Exalted, commands the Archangel, Jibreel, peace be upon him, to also love the person. He in turn commands the angels in the heavens to also love this person, and this love spreads across the heavens and the earth, so that the person becomes praised amongst the people. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6040. The one who desires to obtain this great blessing must therefore practically strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, as true lasting honor and respect lies in this alone. Any worldly success or respect which is obtained by compromising on the teachings of Islam is only temporary, and in cases like this, those who praise someone quickly become their critics. Those who disobey Allah, the Exalted, do not even gain the true respect of their own family, whereas those who obey Allah, the Exalted, are respected by strangers. Simply put, lasting respect and honor only lies in the servanthood of Allah, the Exalted.